So hello sunshine, thank you for watching or clicking this content. My name is Kim and I talk about tips and share things about how to achieve your dreams in life. So one thing I want to share to you about adulting is anxiety. Um, Anxiety is not a joke. There are 301 million people who is experiencing this one. It's 4% from the population globally. So it really causes depression. Sometimes may nagsusuicide din dahil sa anxiety. And I really noticed today na hindi lang talaga ako stress because I have also some things to manage and work to do and obligations. Hindi lang ako pala stress. Nagkakaroon na ako ng anxiety attack. Kasi I was in the market and nafe-feel ko yung tension. I feel hot. Hindi lang kasi mainit. Actually, medyo umuulan that time eh. Konting ulan lang sa market. And ang daming tao, feeling ko, nakaka-feel ako ng tension, mainit yung katawan ko, and parang irritable ako sa lahat ng tao. Lahat ng nakikita ko sa daan, lahat ng pumupunta sa akin or lumalapit na tricycle, um, nag-rolled yung eyes ko. I'm very, very irritated and I cannot think straight. Umabot ako kanina sa point na pumunta ako sa place na walang masyadong tao and nagpahinga lang ako. And because siguro I'm very, very perfectionist, I want to make things or do things perfectly. Not perfectly, like gusto ko ma-achieve yung goal ko, ma-reach yung expectations ko. And minsan, may mga uncircumstances talaga everyday na nangyayari na hindi nangyayari lahat ng bagay ng gusto mo the way you expected to be. And dala na rin siguro ng, pressure ko sa sarili ko from all the responsibilities na feeling ko ako yung nagbubuhat. I am the main role. Nasa akin yung main role ng responsibilities. And I am very, very thankful that my family, my friends, and my partner is there for me, to support me, give me advice. At naawa din ako kanina sa boyfriend ko kasi naaway ko siya sa phone habang nasa market ako. Ang dami kong sinabi sa kanyang haba-haba. And actually, I want to share this one to you because I'm not really into something na gusto ko lagi negative lang. Some people are really comfortable na feeling low sila. And tonight, realize ko na yun, nagkakaroon na talaga ako ng anxiety and I have to take role and lead and i-lead ko yung sarili ko. And that's the thing. If there are things na nangyari sa buhay mo na hindi yun maganda or may ibang taong gumawa sa'yo ng masama na feeling mo, you don't have to talk to them. You just have to forgive yourself at patawarin mo yung sarili mo kasi minsan nangyayari din yung mga bagay-bagay kasi decision din natin na mag-involve sa mga situation na yon. So, imbes na sisihin mo yung ibang tao, kagaya ko, sinisisi ko yung boyfriend ko sa nangyari sa akin. And, let's forgive ourselves na nangyari yung mga bagay na yon. And don't take that negativity rule you. Dapat ikaw yung mag-lead sa sarili mo, ikaw yung mag-take over sa sarili mo, and you gotta decide before you sleep, kaya ngayon, gabi ngayon, before you sleep, you gotta decide kung ano ba yung mangyayari sa buhay mo. Are you gonna take a break? Or you have to move forward sa career mo? Anyways, this is not scripted. Kaya medyo na nasa-stunt ako sa sinasabi ko. And I just want to share to you guys that hindi lang kayo yung nakaka-experience ng mga bagay na yan. And as much as possible, it is also healthy na mag-reflect kayo sa sarili nyo and mag-decide kayo. First, mag-reflect muna kayo sa sarili nyo. It's also healthy na if you feel sad, if you feel disappointed, i-let go mo lang or acknowledge yung pain na yan. Huwag mong iset aside. Umiyak ka hanggang kaya mo. Pero ako kasi, hindi ako masyadong umiiyak. lagi akong umiiyak. Pero paunti-unti lang, I don't have time to deal with emotions. Kasi kapag iiyak ako ng mahaba, ang dami ko pang responsibility at mapapagod ako, I can't be productive sa araw na yon. So ako kasi, I also pray to God, especially on those times na hindi ko na talaga alam ano yung solusyon sa problema ko. Ino-offer ko na lang kay God na siya na bahala sa mga taong yon, or siya na bahala sa akin, na marami pang blessings na dadating sa akin. And you also have to be thankful kung anong meron kayo. Huwag kayong maghanap ng mga bagay na wala pa kayo. May mga bagay dyan, it's not material thing. You have your family, you have your pets, you have your partner, you have your friends. Kahit sila lang, isa lang sila, dalawa lang sila, treasure them. It is also important na you are surrounded with positive things. And anxiety is not something from other people. For me, yun yung binibigay mo sa sarili mo. And don't let that negativity take over yourself. And also, after you reflect, you gotta decide kung ano yung gagawin mo. Are you going to cry there all night dahil nangyari yan sa'yo, or gagawa ka ng paraan para maging maayos ka, or mag-focus ka sa mga bagay na mas importante sa'yo. So, yeah, I feel so stressed and disappointed kanina sa sarili ko kasi I really reacted negatively. And sana hindi ito mapanood ang mga employees ko kasi medyo na-stress ako kanina at ang dami kong pinagsasabi. Pabalang akong magsalita, and I really felt so sad about it. And I don't want them to feel yung stress and pressure na nararamdaman ko because I set high standards for myself. I want to reach higher goals. Kung ano yung na-reach ko na goal last year or yesterday, I want to set a higher standard of goals. Siguro kasi perfectionist din ako. Gusto ko lahat maayos, perfect, gusto ko matapos lahat. And there are things na hindi ko talaga in-anticipate na gawin ko. Minsan tanga-tanga din. And at least we learned our lessons, diba? We're just human. So, huwag masyadong dibdibin kung may nararamdaman ka. I-acknowledge mo lang, patawarin mo lang yung sarili mo. You don't have to talk to the other party or other people. You just have to talk to yourself because you take over yourself. You get to decide if you choose to be miserable or move forward. Minsan, hindi mo rin alam, is it tama ba? Tama ba ito yung ginagawa ko? Ano ba yung move forward na yan? Ano ba yung gagawin ko? Just try it. Try mo lang. Kung hindi nag-work, try ka naman ng ibang stuff. So, do not occupied your thoughts into negativity. And I want to share this one kasi nangyari sa akin to kanina and I don't really like it, and I'm not into I'm into stress. Good pressure. I'm into all positive things most of the time, and I'm really thankful kasi hindi talaga ako pinabayaan ni Lord. Binigyan niya pa ako ng maraming blessings, and I really can feel the answers to my prayers. So thank you so much for watching to this video. This is not scripted, and mas comfortable ako na hindi scripted yung sinasabi ko. And it was really unplanned, but I really want to share to you guys because not all people overcome anxiety. Marami siyang kinakain na oras at panahon and emotions that is really draining. Not just emotionally, nag-drain siya ng time, at also nagde-drain din siya ng energy sa family or sa taong nakapaligid sa kanya. So I hope you're gonna feel better also, and also ako. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!